You let out more. You let out more. Alright. There you go. Keep on letting it out. See, the more you do that, it lets out. Let it out again. Keep on letting it out so you don't get a sinus infection. Keep on letting it out. Yeah, I did that for you. Keep on letting it out. Yeah. Keep on letting it out so it won't cause any problems. The allergens are awful right now.
I have peaceful sleep now.
Good.
You need to get peaceful sleep too, baby.
Yeah.
He's like, hey, I'm going to you. He's like, yep, I know. No peaceful sleep, mom. Okay, peaceful sleep. Yeah. You want this peaceful sleep with this? I'm having that nurse go.
Yes.
Good.
Keep on letting it out so it won't cause any problems.
Man.
No, the sinuses out there, the allergens.
There. Thank you. Alright, food.
Well, I have to get more money for that.
Can you know where your cell phone is?
I hear about it to get more money.